Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes. This week I'm giving an update on my vintage recipe book project. Saturday Morning Makes is an open collab hosted by Jill Norwood. I'm Emilee, and you've found Emilee's Paper Caper, where we're all about scrapping our stash and getting pages done. If you're new here, I hope you'll consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and bell icon now. So first, let me tell you about the materials I've been using for this project. Recently, I did a coupon holder pocket letter swap with Lene. I will link to that video up in the card if you want to check it out. I've been using items from the pocket letter she sent me, along with some things from my stash and from this cutout collage book to create embellishments for this recipe book. Last week I started this recipe book. I will link to that video up in the card so you can hear more about what I'm doing. But other materials I used are some craft cardstock paper from Michaels, and I got some 5.5 by 8.5 page protectors to use in the binder. I found these on Amazon, and I'll link to them along with information about this collage book that's also from Amazon down in the description. So I've started to complete some of the pages for this album, including the title page. I've got them in these plastic protectors, but I'm going to take them out to share them with you so that we don't have problems with the glare. For the cover page of the book, I've used my letter stickers to say recipes from the kitchen of Louise, and then I wrote a little bit about the book. The handwritten recipes in this book are from Louise Lauscher. The notebook was in very poor condition, so the recipes have been photocopied to be enjoyed more easily. The original notebook is stored in an archival box to protect it and keep it from further damage. And I put book created by Emilee Grupp, August of 2022. I have many more handwritten recipes from Louise. I think she probably wrote these in the 20s and 30s. And because the book has her maiden name written inside it, I know that she started it before she was married. So that's why I think it's probably 20s and 30s that a lot of the recipes were written in here. This is a recipe for ginger cookies, and I've used some kitchen recipe related stickers here. My friend Retta gave me those for my birthday. On the second page I have a cherry cobbler recipe, and I've used some of the paper that Lene sent me along with a cutout from the collage book. This is paper Lene sent me, and then these two elements are from the collage book. Another recipe, this one's for rhubarb custard. This recipe came from this collage book, and I thought it was a nice recipe, and I liked that it had a companion photo of the recipe, so I've used that in the book. And I seem to be hooked on the aprons. I used the apron sticker, I used an apron tag here, and another apron tag here. But I think they're very cute, and I will probably continue to use all the apron images that I can find. Here's a handwritten recipe from Louise, overnight drop cookies. And this little image here is from the collage book. Then here is her recipe for crumb pudding. I've used some ephemera ocean spray cranberry sauce that came from the collage book, and then a lot of the paper you're seeing here is from the pocket letter that Lene sent me. So these are the first pages in this recipe book. I'm having a lot of fun. I probably have 15 or 20 more recipes, so I will continue to work on this, and when I'm all done, I will share a flip through of the completed book. Be sure to search for the hashtag satmornmakes here on YouTube. Some people also post on Instagram, and you can get inspired by all the fun projects people have been working on this week. Keep on scrapping and paper crafting, everyone.